Good evening.
Good
Your
evening.
name? Yes. Your name is
Yeah,
what is
yeah, I'm gonna tell you. So my name is Sikha Singh, and I'm from UP, and from India. So there is a state that's UP. So I'm from here, and yes, I'm working as a teacher, and it's been 3 years. That's all.
Oh, you're a teacher.
Yeah, as a primary teacher.
What subjects do you teach?
So basically, my subject is science, but I am teaching in a primary sector. So sometime I have to teach all subject. I have to manage the class.
Mhm. I see. Wow. Okay. Okay, thank you. My name is Lovely Anna Maceda. I'm 32 years old and I've been teaching English for more than 5 years now.
Oh, great.
Yes, I am a Filipino.
Okay, nice.
Yes. Okay. Sorry, what is your name again? Sorry. It's a bit hard for me to memorize Indian Indian names.
This is Sikha Singh. Sikha
Sik
Singh.
Sika Singh.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Got it?
Oh, thank you so much. Okay. So, do you have any questions before we proceed to our lesson?
Yeah, we can continue.
Okay. So, our topic for today is about exercise or exercising.
Yeah, right.
Uh,
Exercise.
uh, yes. So, do you exercise?
Okay, so actually, previously I used to do it, but nowadays it is fluctuating. I'm not, regular.
Why? What is your reason?
Okay, a reason is nothing, just because of I think I'm a bit careless for my health. Nothing is, most specific reason for that. I will continue. Even I started now, but still I'm not, regular. It is fluctuating, like 2 to 3 days in a week. So yeah.
I see. Yeah, because me also, I don't exercise because I'm lazy.
Yeah, it happens, I think.
Yes. So, what do you think are the benefits that we could get from exercising?
Okay. From exercising, I think there are, a lot of benefits we can gain. So, and some benefit of exercising, I would like to say, like, muscle strength. It is very good for this. And also, I think for immune system, it can enhance, and our immune system, it can be more strengthened than if you are not doing exercise.
Mm,
And also, for your brain, it can relax, and it also can refresh your brain for a while, because if you're doing exercising, that time you are refreshing yourself. You are that time build just a complete a unique person. Yeah, the doing exercising workout, that time it is really you, because I used to do it, so I knew that how it happened. And also this is for for body, overall our entire body. We can also lose weight, and we can be more beautiful and charming, and and
mhm.
attractive body, so much benefits. Yeah.
Yes. So, what do you think would push you or encourage you to exercise?
Okay, so main reason was I think just because of my body. I wanna be fit always, so that's why I started. Otherwise, I think there is already, as I mentioned, too much importance of exercising if we are doing, and so definitely we will, yeah, like if we have good immune system, so we can survive, and we can defeat any disease. So that's
Mhm.
why it's good to do, and that is why I was started it.
Yes. And how do you feel when somebody would tell you that, oh, you're gaining weight, you already need to exercise?
Okay. So yeah, really, if someone's saying to it, it means I think yeah, definitely I'm gaining weight. I have put on some weight. That's why this person is asking. So yeah, I had to do. Some people they think, okay, it
Mm-hmm.
doesn't matter how you are looking. I am looking, but sometimes I feel because we are human beings, so we should be also fit. Fit body shape because it matters.
Mm-hmm.
If you have not a good and fit body, so sometimes you can suffer from many diseases like thyroid, I think, and diabetes, so many disease. So
Mm-hmm.
that is why it is necessary. And for I think for women who is not going and who can not do exercise for a minute, so there is a lot of stuff for them they can do and in their home and surrounding, so that's why they are fit in the time.
Yes, I see. Because me, sometimes I feel bad, but not really bad. Sometimes I also feel grateful for those people who tell me that, okay, you already need to do that. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. Okay. So, what is your opinion about yoga?
Okay, yoga. What? Yoga, this is also, I think, a fantastic way to feel calm and to be relaxed. It's a good way. And I did it. And now, as I said, really, I am detached from these all stuff. But yeah, previously I did yoga like meditation. So I have done this. And I also used to do some part of yoga asana, so I did it. So like this, this is also a good exercise. We can say that it's not exercise, but these are correlated, exercising and yoga,
Mhm.
so correlated. So as I mentioned, I started exercising, so between this I also did some yoga, part of like yogasan and some meditation for a while and some pranayam. So I did it.
Mhm.
So I think I have included both for a while because when I used to do it, so that time 1 hour I used to do this for exercise and for yoga. So half of hour I have just separated it. So that's
Wow.
why.
Mm. So you were fit before, but I think until now you're still fit.
Yeah, a bit I am. Before I was
Mhm.
better.
Mhm. I see. And for you, what is the best exercise?
Okay, I think standing position like a triangle exercise. Do you
Mm-hmm.
know? It is relaxed and it's not a hectic process. You can do. It's a good exercise.
Okay. I
About
want you. Oh, about me? I think swimming, but I don't know how to swim. But as I say that the best exercise is swimming.
okay, great.
Yeah, yeah, because because of your breathing and your whole body moves. So I think it's the best one. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a good.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
I want you to do a triangle exercise, but I know it's uncomfortable for you because I like that. Yeah. Okay, so what is your opinion on weight training?
Okay, weight training. So, I never went through this process. So actually, I had not a good idea about this weight training, how they are doing and what is. But this is, I think, must be for the people who are gaining weight or who want to be fit.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Mm, I see. And do you like going to the gym?
Gym, yeah, once
Yeah.
in a life. I don't
Mhm.
need gym actually. I'm actually fit and I can be fit according to my way. I can do some other stuff like yoga, exercise at home. So it is not a big deal for me to be a fit girl. But gym, yeah, I want to join once in a life and I want to try this. Even I have idea, my one of my friends joined, so I went sometime with her. So I have idea. But yeah, I would like to try once at least.
But have you been there at the gym? Have you been there?
Yeah, I went, but it was not me for me. Means my friend, she was doing. So I went there, just for picking up her. So yeah, I saw
Mhm.
that one.
Yeah, and how was your experience there? Even though you didn't exercise.
Yeah, in gym means I didn't do. At home I had a.
Mm, I see. Because of me, I felt shy when I went to the gym to exercise because there were lots of men. So I cannot move.
Yeah,
Really,
yeah,
I
yeah,
felt embarrassed.
yeah.
Yes. So,
I also have idea like this. My friends who joined, so she told me like, there's so many boys and men, so it is a bit, awkward to be there. But
mhm,
yeah, she had to
yes.
do what she wanted. So yes, she did it, and that's why I also went, gym sometime. So I saw the environment how it was.
Yes. What about their outfit? How about your friend's outfit? What do they wear at the gym?
Okay, so no, yeah, she was wearing a simple costume and not a
Mm,
shorts. That was not shorts and simple uniform. Yeah, like a
mm,
track something.
I see. Okay. Yeah. And when you exercise, do you like to play music?
Okay, yeah, right. If I'm alone at home, so yes, with playing
Mm,
music and do exercise. So it is a bit, enjoying and relaxing. You are doing exercise and you are not, you know, keeping tedious yourself.
mm, yes. And how does it help you to be, to be energized? How does music help you to exercise better?
Yeah, it helps because we didn't realize the time if there is music. So we are continuously because I also like music and dancing. So if I started music,
Mm,
so that's really I'm enjoying just like I'm doing dance. It's not exercise. It's not a yogas, and so I am enjoying like yeah, I have played a song and I'm just dancing upon the song. So that's why it's really a very energetic and refreshing for me.
yeah, I think the best exercise is dancing because you enjoy it. It's
Yeah,
fun.
you're right. I think you're right because whenever I didn't get time, so I used
Yes.
to dance.
Is the yes, the Indian dance?
Okay, sorry, Miss Pardon, your voice
Oh,
is a bit breaking up.
sorry, sorry. Do you dance the Indian dance?
Yeah,
Indian dance.
right. I dance.
Yeah, I actually want to learn that.
Okay, you
Yes.
like?
Um, mhm.
Yeah, do you like it?
Yeah, I like it very much because I saw some Indian dances. It's really I don't know. It's very unique, and I
Uh,
love it.
okay,
Yes,
that's good
yes.
to
Do
hear.
you know Aladdin? Do you know
Pardon?
Aladdin? Do you know Aladdin?
No, I don't know.
Oh, really? Fairy tale. It's a fairy tale.
Okay, fine.
Aladdin. Yes, he's an Indian guy.
Okay.
It's
Yeah, might be.
very famous. Okay,
Okay.
yeah. So
So yeah.
where do you prefer? Where do you prefer to exercise? At home or at the gym or at the park? Indoors or outdoors?
Yeah, at home, but mostly I did whenever I used to do. So on the roof. So in the
Mhm.
morning, on the roof, that was in an open place. And I'm also at home. I don't need to go anywhere else. And in open place,
Mhm.
I'm comfortable. Oh,
Yes. I'm really sorry for my connection.
oh, sometime I think there is network issues.
Yeah. Okay, next time I'll try to use a different Wi-Fi.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, sorry for that. All right. Exercise. This is a bit hard for me to talk about because I don't really exercise and I don't like I don't like exercise.
Okay.
Exercising.
You
Yes.
never have.
I used to exercise, but now I don't know. I feel so lazy to do that.
Okay, okay. Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, yeah. But I know I need to change that.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
you can.
Yes, yes. So what about mental exercise? What do you do to have the mental exercise?
Mental, so mostly, meditation. It is
Mm,
good, and like some pranayam. So if we are doing pranayam, so they are also related to our brain. So it's also a connection with body and brain with our breathing system. So it's a balance,
mhm.
complete balance. If you're doing pranayam, so these are, I think, stuff doing pranayam and meditation. So it comes, and I mostly do it.
Mm. So which do you prefer, physical exercise or mental exercise?
I think both is necessary sometimes.
Yes,
Mental exercise, it's
yes.
for brain or for mind, for keeping us relaxed and calm. And physical exercise, that's for us, for body, for physical appearance.
Mm. Yes.
So,
What about sports?
okay, even though I'm interested in exercising, but yeah, I didn't participate too much in sports. I was not so much good in
Mm,
academic because in my side we were not so much privileged about that thing, and school they had not this kind of environment for sport and game competition, so I missed it, and that is why when I grew up, so that time I didn't interest too much.
yeah, it's okay. You're not alone. Me too.
You too.
Yes. Yeah, me too. Okay. Okay, what else about exercise? Oh, do you have any questions about exercise
Okay.
or
Mhm.
exercising? Okay.